Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and today's video is going to be another thrift with me video. Okay, so over the past few weeks, I've been like popping in and out of thrift stores, just seeing what they have, seeing if there's any good finds. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be just like a montage of these different thrift trips that I've been going on. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, starting out, I found this J. Crew 100% wool coat, and I was gonna get this, and I think I could have and made money, but I did pass on it just because I felt like the style was a little bit dated. Okay, I did end up picking up this Talbot's puffer vest. I think it's very on trend right now, and I like the color. It was this beautiful olive green, and then the biggest reason I got it was because it was filled with 100% down filler, and that is a great keyword that people are searching for, so I definitely think I can make some money on this item. Okay, I did end up picking up these Justin Western style leather boots. These were so cool. They had this beautiful blue embroidered thread throughout. They were a size 7.5, and they said handcrafted in the USA, which is a great keyword. Some more keywords I would use are cowgirl, cowboy, country concert, festival. And then these retailed for around like $300 on their website. So I think I can list these for a good price, and I think it was a good pickup. Okay, I found this Miss Sook cardigan sweater. Now this was 100% acrylic, so that didn't excite me, but I know that this brand retails for a lot of money, and I did think that this was in great condition. I liked the colorway, and I've never sold this brand before, but I'm gonna try it out because I know a lot of other resellers do have good luck with this. Okay, I love finding and picking up vintage, genuine leather trench coats. This one was beautiful, and I definitely picked it up. It had this flannel interior. It was gorgeous. Oh my goodness, obsessed with this leather trench coat. This is beautiful. It is long line, and I love the color. It has like this amber color to it. Like it has a little bit of a red tint to the brown, which I think is just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Now I do think that this, it says it's a size 14, but I just don't think that's accurate at all. I know vintage sizes tend to be smaller, obviously, so I do not think that this is a 14. I'm gonna model this, and I'm also gonna take measurements because I think that's the best way to sell this jacket. Okay, so here's the jacket on. This looks really cute. It's very like Matrix vibes. I think it's very nice and chic and classic looking. Okay, I found this really fun Free People coat, and I definitely picked it up. I think I paid $12.99 for this item, and then I was able to list it on my Poshmark for $100. Okay, so I'll definitely have to stain treat this area over here. It looks like some mud got on it or something, and the fur isn't laying, you know, nice and softly like it should be. So I'll definitely try to figure that out. But other than that, the coat is in great condition, and I'm really happy with it. Okay, I found this beautiful new with tag long sleeve ruffle Bowden dress, and this was gorgeous, and it was a newer style. I did end up picking it up, but there was this flaw. You can see there was like this kind of crusty thing. It was very like surface level stain, so I did stain treat it. Okay, so the Bowden dress, I stain treated it, and guys, everything came out. I think there's like the tiniest, I mean, you can't even tell. I'll definitely take a picture and put it in the listing, but I mean, you cannot tell, especially with how busy the print is. Yeah, that was really great that I was able to steam treat it, and it came out very well. I'm really happy with it. So I thought this was really cute. Okay, next I found this Free People Movement Hot Shot onesie. This is a very popular style in Free People, so I always pick them up, especially if they're in excellent condition, which this one was, and I was able to list it on my Poshmark for $65. Okay, I don't know if this was the best pickup, but I did end up getting this. I don't know how to pronounce the brand. I think it's called Bohme. Bohme, but it's just kind of this classic like wrap dress. It's faux wrap. I think it had some wool in it. I'm gonna try it out. I've never sold this before, so I'm just gonna see how it performs. Okay, I usually pick up Reese. It has a good following and the items retail for a lot of money, but I did pass on this because there was some wear at the bottom of the jumpsuit, and I think I looked up comps and they just weren't doing well. Also, that's why they wanted $30 for that item, so I just passed on it. Okay, now these pants I did end up getting because I feel like they are on trend. They're very utilitarian, like cargo. They're BDG, which is an in-house brand for Urban Outfitters. I thought the color was cool, and I just liked this. I think they're a newer style, so I thought this was an easy pickup. And just kind of like a bread and butter piece, I would say. Okay, this was cool. So I love selling Honey Love, and they're normally known for their shapewear, but I did find these slacks or like career pants, and they had like this kind of tummy cincher inside, which I thought was a really cool detail. So I'm gonna try these out. Okay, I did end up picking up this J. Crew long sleeve floral, beautiful like summer dress, spring dress. This should definitely sell in the spring or summertime. I'm very, very selective with J. Crew, but since this was a newer style and a substantial piece, I felt like it was worth picking up. Okay, I ended up finding this beautiful emerald green ModCloth dress. It had flutter sleeves and these gold button details, and there was actually like little cats on them. It was so cute, and this was new with tag, and it was also a 22W, which is a great size, especially when you're trying to sell ModCloth. I feel like the larger sizes do better, so this was just a great pickup. Okay, I found these shorts, and I thought that they looked really interesting. The brand was called like Elfric Eric. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I googled them, and they have a lot of like streetwear. This was in the men's section, but I thought it was cool, like the different streetwear, and some of the pieces sell really well, so I wanted to try those out. Okay, this was interesting. It was like this Y2K Victoria's Secret genuine leather jacket. I probably could have picked this up and sold it, but I did end up passing on it. Okay, I found these two pairs of cool hiking pants. They were the same style and the same size, which was a size 8. So I did end up picking these up. They're kind of like a bread and butter piece. I can list them for 40 bucks. And yeah, I think these will sell in the spring. Okay, so I wanted to take you guys to this store in Pittsburgh. They take any kind of donated like art supplies. So it was really cool. This was my first time going. I love to do like scrapbooking and journaling, and like I love stickers and like creating these kind of scrapbooks / journals. So you can see here I made such a mess going through all of these different scrapbooking bins. And it was so fun because you can kind of like pick out any kind of stickers you want and just like add them to your pile, and then they will weigh them or kind of just give you a price at the register. I think my total was like $5. Like it was just so much fun to dig through all the treasures and see everything. The girls kept coming up to me. They're like, do you like these stickers? Do you want this? Like they were so nice. And I was like, is it okay that I'm kind of making a mess? And they were like, yes. They're like, people do this all the time. Like this is what you do here. Like it was totally, like it was just so fun. I just had a great time. I definitely want to go back. Okay guys, that was everything in this thrift with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like this kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button, and also like this video. Comment down below what your favorite piece was, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye guys.